Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today we're making a papaya smoothie to help with digestion. For this smoothie you will need 1 papaya, 2 apples, 1 lemon, some condensed milk, and some desiccated coconuts. First I'm going to prep up my ingredients. Okay guys, it's now to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. First goes in my lemon, next goes in my apples. After that, my papaya. Next, I'll add in some condensed milk. Just add in a bit. I'm going to be using my desiccated coconuts for garnish. I'm going to add some water. I'm now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my freshly blended up smoothie. Look at that lovely bright orange colour. It's now time to serve. This smoothie is very beneficial for digestion. It can also be helped with weight loss. Let me know in the comment section below which country you're watching me from. As we are now come to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.